Hey everyone, in this lesson we're going to go through how to find the volume of pyramids. But first, what is a pyramid? A pyramid is a 3D solid whose outer surfaces are triangular and they converge to a point. A pyramid's name is determined by the shape of its base. For example, the first one on this side, number 1, is a square pyramid because of the base at the bottom here. Okay, the second shape here is a triangular pyramid because it has a base of a triangle. Okay, and then the last one is a rectangular pyramid because it has a base of a rectangle. Okay, we can find the volume of all three of these pyramids by using the simple formula stated in the box. So, the volume of a pyramid is a third of a prism. Okay, so it is V equals a third times the area of the base, A, times the area of the perpendicular height. Okay, the perpendicular height is from the base all the way up to the point at the top. So the base all the way up to the top, and it creates a perpendicular to the base. So that means that it creates a right angle to the base of it. Let's do one here. Perpendicular height to the top, and it creates a right angle. Okay? So, let's do some examples. Okay? So we have one that is a rectangular pyramid. So this one here is a rectangular pyramid because it has different sides. And then the other one is a triangular pyramid. Okay, let's draw a line here. So we have space. Okay, so let's have a look at the rectangular pyramid first. So our first step, let's write down the formula for the volume of a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid equals a third times the area of the base times the height. Okay, so let's find, first step is to find our area. Find the area of the rectangle. Okay, and the area of the rectangle is base times height, which in our case is 20 times 25. 20 times 25, which equals in the calculator 500 millimeters squared because we're working with area. Okay, and then our second step is to find the volume. Okay, so the volume, again, is a third times the area of the base times the height. Let's go back up. Our height is our 30 because it is a perpendicular height from the base all the way to the top. Okay, so we're going to do a third times 500 times the height, which was 30. Okay, if we put that into the calculator, we get 5,000. Okay, and because we're dealing with volume, this is in millimeters cubed units. Okay, so that's the volume of this shape here. Okay, so let's have a go at doing the triangular pyramid. Okay, so triangular pyramid. We still need to follow the formula of the volume of a pyramid, which is volume equals a third times area times height. It's always useful to write those formulas down so that you always have a reference point to go back to. Okay, so the base of this pyramid is a triangle. So first we have to find the area of the triangle base. triangular base. And if we remember rightly, the area of a triangle is half times base times height, okay? Where our base is the 10 and our height is the 7. So we do half times 10 times 7, which equals 35. And don't forget our units, meters squared. In the Google form, you won't have to put them units in, but it's always good to have a mental note for your working out. Okay, the second step is to find the volume. Okay, so our volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height, because we're working with a pyramid. So all we have to do extra is to label the perpendicular height of the pyramid. And the perpendicular height is our 8. Okay, and then our area we just bring down from the previous. Okay, so it's going to be 1/3 times 35 times 8. Okay, and that equals 93 1/3 when you put it in the calculator. And our units for volume will be meters cubed. Okay, any questions about that, please go to Jamboard and ask your questions there. Good luck with the questions.